If you are looking for the best dash cams, this video is for you. Here is the 3 best dash cams that you can buy. Don't forget to check the link in the description for pricing. Number 1. Viofo A129 Duo, Best Value Front plus Rear Dash Cam. Pros. Good quality video. Compact, unobtrusive design. Cons. Parking mode requires hard wiring. Thick cable to rear camera. This front and rear dash cam dispenses with the frills and concentrates on what's important, recording good quality video. This means it's cheaper than most rival, dual-channel, dash cams, but do watch out as some bundles don't include the GPS mount and the polarizing filter. Both are worth having so you can prove where the video is recorded and to remove reflections 0 inches the video. The wedge design of the front camera means you still get a screen but still tucks away behind your rear view mirror. The rear camera, although small, has a thick cable which can be hard to fit behind trim neatly. The A229 Duo has a much thinner cable, and records in 2K front and rear, a higher resolution than the A129's 1080p, but it costs significantly more. Number 2. Viofo T130 Best Triple Lens Dash Cam. Pros. Great parking mode. Front, interior and rear cameras. Cons. Parking mode requires hard wire kit. So app. At a similar price to a lot of dual-channel dash cams, the T130 is good value. It delivers good video quality that, as long as it's not nighttime, can usually be relied upon to show clearly what happened in an incident. Resolution is enough in most cases to read registration plates. The interior camera uses infrared LEDs for decent night vision, but quality is still better during daylight. The app could do with some interface improvements, but generally works reliably and makes it easy to adjust the dashcam settings. One of the highlights is the versatile parking mode which can record time-lapse video, as well as full motion video if it detection motion. But you'll need the hardwire kit to use this mode, and may have to have that professionally installed. Number 3. Nextbase 422GW, Best Value Dash Cam with Alexa. Pros. Alexa built-in. Good safety features. Cons. Average video quality. Rear cameras are expensive. The lowest priced model in Nextbase's new Series 2 range to have Alexa and emergency response. The 422GW also supports the range of rear cameras, records at 1440p and cost the same as the older 412GW did. If you don't need all the new features, then you can save money by opting for the 322GW.